Okay naman po yung performance. Nararamdaman po namin talagang parang we really have to give hope for the people kasi sobrang bigat po talaga ng pyesa namin. Thanks to Sir Nino po.
I think na ibahagi naman namin yung gustong namin ibahagi through this song. So, yeah, I think we gave him a good fight.
We hope na kami yung mapili na makaupo sa Dakota Clash.
Kailangan namin mag-enjoy kasi sobrang bigat ng pyesa namin. Kung hindi kami mag-enjoy, hindi kami makakapagbigay ng pag-asa tulad ng sa Umagang Kay Ganda.
Yes.
Presence of mind din, parang iniisip ko na, okay, kailangan balanse kaming tatlo. Yun, sobrang, actually, ang dami ko iniisip nung nag-aano tayo. Pero, it went very well towards the end. Kasi parang naramdaman na natin.
I think we're good on the blending.
Yeah,
and then,
exactly.
yun lang, hindi namin maisip kung saan part kami nag-oversing. We'll leave it up to them.
Apo. And also, improve ourselves po. Baka mamaya yung tenga namin medyo nag-ano lang din. Kaya, pero ayun po, i-improve po namin yung sarili namin.
Yes, but overall, we're happy sa performance
Yes
po namin.